bigger than you think. Well, normally I've been starting these videos with after 3 months it's finally here. Or something along those lines. Because that's normally the case when you're ordering stuff like this from China or wherever. But no, within 3 working days I had a knock at my door. Delivery guy with a big box. Me half asleep, really baffled as to what it was. It wasn't until I took 10 minutes to wake up a little bit more and decided to check the box out. And I was realised it was the Geeetech A30 3D printer that I ordered 3 days before, literally 3 working days. And this was to me, East Midlands, UK. So, kudos already for that. Let's see if the actual printer matches up to the company's standards already. So, let's get a bit closer and take a look. So I'll move the camera a bit closer. What I'll do is I'll open the box, lift all the parts out so you can see what's coming out of the box. I'll put all the parts to one side and then I'll move the box and put the parts on the table and we'll have a closer look at each part and see what the cracker doodle is. So, very nice quality manual, and I know the quality because I'm a printer. The actual quality is no expenses spared on that. You get a printing slip that basically gives you the specs of the printer. If you don't know the specs already, then I will put a screenshot at the end of this video with this information there. Lovely mouse mat. Daughter will probably have that. So, lovely braided cable there on the hotbed. Impressive. Let's all this out like that for now. Like I say, I'll take a closer look at the parts when I've removed them all. So well packaged, looking sweet. Accessories box, we'll go through that as well. Power pack, again all nicely braided cables. This looks like the motor cables. Very nice, very nice. Braided. PTFE2. So, well, that's pretty much what's in the box. Let's get everything out, set it up and have a close look around. Well, I'm not going to set it up, I'll rest it in its position and save the actual putting it together for another video. So, bear with me while I set all this up on the table. As you can see, I've just rested this in place. Looking at it, that's literally as easy as it is to put together. Comes pre-assembled up to that stage, 2 parts. So you can just slot that on there. In this accessories box there'll be some brackets to screw it all together. We'll have a look through that in a minute and we'll have a little walk around. The power pack. Great cooling fan, no expenses spared on the power pack, the looks of it. Just remember to set your voltage. In the UK I'm 240, so I'll set it to 230. SD, USB, few general specs. Lovely aviation style connectors at the back. Nice cooling fan. Beautiful little touch screen. Can't wait to touch away on that. Yeah, let's get a bit closer on that. So, all nice sturdy parts. Be careful as that top part's connected. Nice little end stop. Not bad little number 17 motors. Ooh, I like the little tension a bit here. like an extra tensioner to raise it up. Probably just to raise it up really, not a tensioner. Yeah, that's that. Let's just move this top off somewhere safe for a second, so we can actually have a look at the heat bed. The Geeetech super plate. It's a nice action with the use of the wheels, V wheels. Just quickly flip it over and have a look. So like I said before, we've got a lovely braided connector. Focus on the lovely soldered connections actually, not bad. Got a cable tensioner. So great. Nice little bed adjustment screws. So one sweet. I don't really want to do this, but just show you how smooth that is. They've even put one of the little clips on. Me personally, I think these are pretty pointless. I'd rather just tension the belt properly. But so far so good. Really nice. That's a really nice connections as well, joins. Nice sturdy frame. Yeah. Let's see if there's anything on the heat bed that tells us anything. Oh, there's LED. Can't really see anything on the heat bed, specs wise. I was hoping it might say wattage or something, but in actual specs it tells you the actual limits of it, so I ended up turning this around now. Let's get this top bit back and have a look at that. Bear with me. Right. So that'll rest somewhere there. I can imagine there's some T-shaped brackets that'll slot in here and just join it together each side. Again, nice number 17. A little bit of perspex to protect it. So that's what holds the end stop. But this is looking very pretty, to be fair, but also confusing, because normally this is all like separate wires. There's a custom, actually designed a custom clip for that, and I believe this here is where the probe goes in for automatic bed leveling. I haven't got that option on this yet, but nice construction, straight out of the box. Going to be like probably 3, 6, no, 12 screws or something stupid, and I'll be ready to print. Let's have a look around let's have a look at the direct drive. It's all enclosed quite nice. I do need to just move these Z rods to, there we go, get that up. I'm going to have to level them off. But nice fan. Can't see where the air gets ducted to. There's another little fan there, that's the fan that will cool your print. I can't see where it ducts to yet. Yeah, and lovely connection here for the E3D style hot end. Ooh-wee! Little filament run out sensor. So if your filament snaps or gets taut or runs out, that little beauty will pause your print. You can't focus on it. That little beauty there will pause your printer. So there must be a wire here somewhere to connect that. And start. This is where you load your filament then. Mounted on top of the motor at the back, attached to the Z-axis. That's that. It's not bad. Your wires come over here, all braided again for the hot end. So PTF, it's actually quite nice so far. Woo, just next time. Anti-backlash on the Z. Checking the straightness of the rods with the camera as I move up. The rods are actually really nice and straight, and I like this, what they've done at the top as well. It's not holding it still, it's still got the movement it needs, but it's got like a bearing inside that it rests through, but then it's still got the movement so it can move freely, hold it in a, I don't know how it works, but it's cool. It's cool. Maybe I should try that on other printers. But yeah, so far with that, that's freaking amazing. Trying to think if I've missed anything. Motors at the back here. Rest on there. that'll help. If these motors attached here, that'll give a bit more sturdiness because these are resting on the frame, so it stops the frame from moving back. Not that it's going to go under a lot of torque or tension, hopefully. Unless I put a rat now. Yeah, there's the, let's go to the power pack now. It's all touch screen. All looked after. All designed, sorry. And let's see what we get in the box. Couple of screws. USB. I'd say 10 meters of filament. I'm assuming PLA, they normally send them with PLA in it. 1 gigabyte SD card. This will probably have program information or manual along with a few test files. A nice little toolkit. I'm not sure without looking at the instruction set what they're used for, because yeah, I don't know yet. Because it looks like I said, it's just some T-brackets surely. Some more screws. Spool holder, this goes onto the back of here. Power cable, another one of the 4020 aluminium extrusions. Ah, see, here's the T-brackets. One's got an end stop attached for the Z. Which end stop for that bit then? Yeah, for the Z. What? Yes, for the Z. There's T-brackets, so more T-bracket. And some zip ties. Power cable. Bonus, it's a UK plug, because you don't get no silly adapters. Yeah, the only thing I'm confused about is what these are for, but I'm sure when we put it together, we'll come across what it's for. Until the next video where I decide to put it together, which will probably be later or over the next day or so, I'll leave you with this beautiful shot. And Geeetech, I am impressed. Kudos, kudos, kudos. You do good. Delivery so far. Let's just hope this baby prints as easy and as good as everything else has so far been.